Everybody and their mother nowadays has heard of Google.com, but what you might not have heard of is that you can take advantage of one simple strategy to make over $250 per day just using Google. I'm gonna teach you how. Let's go. All right, what is up, guys? First of all, this is probably, if not the best idea that I've come up with to make you guys money, because people have been asking, Kevin, we need strategies that work from anywhere in the world. We need strategies that you can get started with literally $0. And so we have delivered on that, both of those things in this video. This works worldwide. This is completely free, and you can get started doing this as soon as today. And if you're really hustling, you can get paid as soon as tomorrow. But this strategy is complicated. You can't skip steps. You can't skip around in this video. So tune in and make sure you allocate, 10 short minutes of your time to actually watch this full video. If you do, I can guarantee you, and I'm gonna make a bold claim here, I can guarantee you that you will make money using this strategy if you give me 10 focus minutes of your time. So throw your phone out the window, turn off Instagram, make sure you don't slide into any DMs in the next 10 minutes because we are about to get into it. All right, guys, so the first step is to head over to the Google Chrome store. You can literally just search Chrome store into Google, and it's this one right here called Google Web Store. What we're gonna do is we're gonna type in Facebook Pixel Helper, and this is a completely free Chrome extension. I already have it installed right here, but if you don't have it installed, all you have to do is press add to Chrome. This says rate it because I already have it installed. This is what it looks like inside of Chrome. So you can see that all this does is it tells you whether or not a particular website has a Facebook Pixel installed, so you can track people, right? And we're gonna talk about that more later. So once you actually install that, again, completely free into your Chrome extension, then the next step is we are gonna go out and we're gonna find businesses and we're gonna look at their websites and we're gonna figure out whether or not they have a Facebook Pixel, because that actually can tell us a lot about their business and whether or not we can make money profiting from the strategy. So we're gonna head over to good old fashioned Google, and I'm actually gonna show you an even better way to do this, but I wanna show you just another way right now. So we're gonna type in Las Vegas real estate agents, right? And we're gonna press enter. And so what we're gonna see here is we have a ton of different websites here. It's all kind of confusing though. Yelp, Zillow, Realtor, right? All of this stuff. We're just not even gonna go through this because it takes so long to go through every single one of these websites and try to find all of this and see, which ones are on Yelp, which ones are Century 21, which ones are like, these big corporations. We're looking for individual real estate agents and we're looking for their websites. They're gonna be the ones who are gonna pay us, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month or more to use this basic strategy that we're gonna go over today. So instead of, doing all this and looking, this old, really inefficient, slow way, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a completely free tool called Marketer Magic. Now, don't worry, again, Marketer Magic does have a completely free trial. You can just get started for free on their site, marketermagic.com. I'm already logged in, I already have my account. Once you're inside, you can check out the free training. Again, this is a tool that we set up for myself and for my students, right? Most of my students are making, thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars or more, utilizing and leveraging these tools. So definitely check out the Marketer University where we show you how to use all the tools. But for this video, I'm gonna skip all that. We're gonna go straight to the point, right? So we're gonna be using a tool called Many Leads inside of Marketer Magic. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a campaign, right? So we're gonna call this LV Real Estate Agents, right? So if you live in Dallas or Houston or Boston or whatever, you can do this in your own city, right? We're just gonna use Las Vegas as an example, but this does work for anywhere, right? So don't think that it only works for Las Vegas. So we're gonna type in real estate agent, right? We're gonna type in Las Vegas, and we're gonna press show leads. And now what's gonna happen is Many Leads is gonna go out and scan tens of millions of results, and then it's gonna return to us all of the different results inside of Las Vegas, and it's gonna show us the name of the real estate agent, their email address, their phone number, their address, even their social media, right? But what we're looking for right now, we can see that there's 827, right, which is crazy. What we're looking for right now is to actually open up some of these websites right here. We're gonna open up, let's just do 5. I haven't planned through this. I'm literally trying to show this to you guys completely live so you can see exactly what this process is gonna be like, right? So this is a website that's down, it looks like. Let's look at this one right here. So this is the first site that we actually, loaded that is working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press Facebook Pixel Helper, and there's no pixels found on Zane Weber Real Estate, right? So then we're gonna go to the next one. This one's called Rainy Team Real Estate. And then what's gonna happen here is boom, we see that they do have a Facebook Pixel. So I actually didn't plan that, but that's literally perfect. The first two websites, one does not have a Facebook Pixel. We can see it by saying no pixels found. And then the second website we looked at, we can see that there's 2 here, right? We press it and we see that the Facebook Pixel is found, right? So what we want to do, and we'll look at a third one just to be sure. Okay, so the third one does not have a pixel. We want to get rid of the websites that have pixels. For this strategy, we're literally looking for the lowest hanging fruit, how we can make money the fastest. Websites that don't have pixels are missing out on so much extra money by not retargeting their website visitors. Retargeting your website visitors is the single most profitable, easiest form of advertising in the world, right? Because if somebody comes to your site, they're obviously interested, they obviously know who you are, they're obviously very warmed up, and they're a very hot customer, right? And so if somebody has visited your site and triggered the pixel, you want to retarget them and remind them to actually give you a call or to sign up to your service or to make a purchase at your business or to become a customer of whatever the business is, right? This works with dentists, doctors, right? We're just using real estate as this particular example because I think it's one of the strongest ways to actually use this strategy. And so what we are going to do and how you're actually going to make money is you are going to reach out to all of these people, every single one of them via email, via their Facebook page. You can give them a call if you'd like. And you're going to say, hey, my name is Kevin David. I'm a digital marketer. I actually wrote a script for you guys literally just to make this even easier. So, hey, my name is Kevin. I run a digital marketing company in, city in this example would be Las Vegas. I was just checking out your website, right? And you want to put their website URL just so it's like more personalized. The more personal you can make it, the better. And I noticed you don't currently have a Facebook pixel installed. This means that you're losing money on every single one of your website visitors because you're unable to retarget them and turn them into paying customers. I'd be more than happy to show you how to set this up completely for free. It would only take 15 minutes of your time. Please contact me at my personal email and then put your email or phone number, put your phone number. If you're interested in not missing out on all the money that comes with a correctly installed Facebook pixel and retargeting campaign. And you could put sincerely Kevin David. And I'm actually gonna have this script and the next script that we're gonna talk about in just a couple of minutes available completely for free in this link down in the description. It's going to be a Facebook Messenger link because it's just easier for me to set those up quickly. So if you don't have Facebook Messenger and you click it and it doesn't work, download Facebook Messenger or get on Facebook. And so what we wanna do is we're gonna go back into many leads right here and we're gonna grab the ones that work. So it was Zane Weber and it was Yuval, right? So these were the two, Zane and Yuval. So right here, these two, we can see we have their email address, right? So I would copy their email address and I would send them that exact template. I would copy this email address, I would send them that exact template. I would also open their Facebook pages right here. Let's see if they have Facebook pages. Yep, they do. And I would send them a message right here on the Facebook page. Again, I would literally just fill out the script, add the city, website URL, your email, your phone number, copy and paste this, and I would send it directly into their Facebook message, directly into their Facebook message. You can even make a comment about some recent picture they posted or something like that to make it even more personalized. So if you email and you send a Facebook message to every single one of these people that don't have a Facebook pixel installed on their site, they are going to respond, right? Because we wrote this script using FOMO, using fear of missing out. We're not saying, hey, I'm a digital marketer, you should do this. You're saying, hey, listen up, you're literally missing out on money, you're missing out on customers, and people are like, oh my gosh, like I gotta fix that, I gotta make my business better. That's why we're taking the angle of, you're missing out, let me actually fix that for you, which is a much smarter way to actually go about doing it. And the cool thing is, guys, if you look at every single one of these leads inside of Marketer Magic, right, you are going to find people that are interested. It's just a fact, right? And there's gonna be, 50, 100, multiple hundreds of people that don't have Facebook pixels installed on their site. And when that happens, you're gonna get people that are responding. And so once people are responding, what you're gonna do for them and how you're actually gonna make money is you're going to install the pixel on their site for them and you're gonna set up a basic retargeting ad. And I'm gonna show you every single step of how to do it right now. And so step number one that you wanna do is ask them how they built their website, right? Some of them are gonna have Wix, some of them are gonna have WordPress, and then all you have to do is Google search how to install a Facebook pixel on WordPress or Wix or whatever type of site they have. And then once you actually do that, you're gonna set up a business manager account, right? A business manager account is completely free. It's a Facebook advertising account. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to business.facebook.com. I'm not gonna show you how to do that because it's very easy. Just literally Google search how to set up a business manager. And then we're gonna come into all tools and we're gonna install a pixel, right? And to make this simple, we're just gonna use our own pixel, but they can set up their own business manager and they can assign you access to your account. For this example, we're just gonna use our own pixel just because it's easier and it's gonna be faster to show you guys. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna go into, again, the menu here, all tools, and we're gonna go to pixels, right? And we're gonna grab one of these. Let's just take this particular one. We'll just set this up as a demo. Manual install pixel code yourself. And then all we have to do is grab this code right here. and then we're gonna install this on their website. And again, you can just Google search how to actually install Facebook Pixel on Wix or WordPress or ClickFunnels or whatever type of website they use. Once you install that particular pixel, now whenever a visitor of their website visits their website, you can retarget them, right? So let's just use one of these examples just to make it easier. We'll use Zane. So zaneweber.bhhsnv.com, right? So once we install the pixel on his site, then we can come back to his site and we can actually check the Facebook Pixel Helper here. We'll be able to see it now, right? Once we're able to see it, then what we can do is we can set up a custom audience, right? So we're gonna come back into the menu here and we're gonna go to audiences, and then we're gonna actually go to create audience, custom audience. Right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna click website traffic. And once we have our pixel installed, and once people have actually visited the site and fired that pixel, right? Actually, the pixel has event data. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to website, people who visited specific web pages, and then we're gonna actually paste in the actual URL of that person's site. Now this custom audience is going to contain every single person who visits this site, and we're gonna be able to retarget them, right? And so once we do that, we're actually going to go and set up an ad, and then we're gonna target those particular people. And I'm gonna again, show you every step of the way. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna choose a traffic campaign for this particular one. We're gonna call this retargeting Zane, which is this guy right here, just so we know kind of like what's going on. And we're gonna go to continue. Since this is actually in Las Vegas, what we're gonna do is we are going to only target people who live in Las Vegas. So we're gonna call this LV Real Estate. And this custom audience, this is where the custom audience is going to populate. I can't actually create a custom audience because I haven't installed my pixel on his site. But once you do, whatever you name your custom audience in the step that I just showed you, you can actually type it in here. So it would be like Zane custom audience or whatever you named it, right? It would come up right here. That's what you would choose. We're gonna go to people who live in this location, right? Because we don't wanna target people who are just visiting Las Vegas. We wanna target people who live in Las Vegas. So we're gonna actually go to Las Vegas, people who live in this location, right? And now we're gonna be targeting everyone who lives in Las Vegas. People who are 18 years old are probably not looking to buy a house very often, so we're not gonna actually target them. We're gonna go ahead and go to 25 through 65-year-olds just to kind of make it more realistic to actually buy a house. We're gonna make sure that they speak English, and that's literally all we have to do. We don't have to put detailed targeting or anything, because remember, we're retargeting people who actually visit the website. We're retargeting people who have already shown that they're interested. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna edit placements here. We're gonna do all devices. We are gonna only choose the Facebook feed and the Instagram feed, because those are by far the most profitable actually ways to advertise on Facebook. And then that's it. We're gonna optimize for ad delivery, link clicks. We can leave this all the same. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to continue. Right? And you wanna make sure, actually really quick, you wanna make sure that your budget is what you want it to be, right? So sometimes if you're just starting out, people will be kind of scared about this. You can make it $5 a day. And, you're probably wondering, but Kevin, do I pay for this ad cost or do they pay for it? Well, there's a number of different ways to do it based on, how they're kind of acting. Either you can, add their credit card to your own business manager, they can create their own business manager, and they can add you as an admin or an advertiser to their business manager, or you can just say, hey, you know what, Zane, you can front me $100 and then I'll put the ad spend on my own card up to $100, and then once we spend that, right, you can continue fronting me the money and I can continue putting it on my own card. There's a lot of different ways to do it. We're not gonna go through them all right now, but the point is you're an entrepreneur now, right? Make it work. So we're gonna put $5 a day, which is a reasonable place to start, between 5 and 20. And then what we're gonna do is we are gonna actually build out an ad. And so a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually use images from Facebook. So you don't have to go out there and like film some crazy real estate ad or anything like that. We're actually going to go to free stock images, and we're gonna type in real estate agent. And what we can see here is they have a ton of different like real estate agent images. Like this, for example, is a great one. We're just gonna use this one. But you can look through them and see whatever you like, right? And this, again, this works for doctors, it works for dentists, it works for anything. And the cool part is these are free stock images. You don't have to pay for them. They're not gonna have watermarks once you actually launch the ad. Facebook has a relationship with all these people that makes it very, very easy. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to go and grab his link here, or you could even do the contact link right here. And you could send people to this. You can do a lot of different things here, but we're just gonna grab the contact form because that's probably the easiest way for them to actually have people reach out. We're gonna put that as the retargeting or the website URL. And then for the text, all we're gonna do is come back into the script. And again, guys, I share this with you down in the description in this link right here. It's a Facebook Messenger link, so make sure you have Facebook or Facebook Messenger installed, and you can grab these scripts completely for free because I want to make this literally A to Z for you guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this so close. We saw you were interested in finding the best real estate agent in Las Vegas. We'd love to get to know you, and to prove it, we're willing to give you a completely free 30-minute consultation call to tell you about the best neighborhoods in Las Vegas and how to avoid getting ripped off. Again, this is FOMO. Nobody wants to get ripped off, and you're offering something for free, so you're getting people's foot in the door. It's very, very easy. It's very, very low friction, and so it's one of the best ways to go about doing your ads and the angle of your marketing, because people don't want to miss out. They don't want to be ripped off, and so it's gonna prompt them to actually take action. To avoid getting ripped off, unfortunately, it happens all the time, but we can at least point you in the right direction and are happy to do it for free. Give us a call or shoot us a text at our personal line, and then put their phone number, right? Their personal phone number, and then the real estate agent, if they have people visiting their traffic, are going to start getting calls, period, right? If they have people visiting their site, these retargeting ads will work. So we're gonna grab this. Again, obviously, we would have to put your actual phone number in there, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our text right here. And let's just say that the phone number is like whatever the person's phone number is. And then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come down here and we're gonna grab our headline. We're gonna go back into the script and we're gonna go ahead and copy this. And then we're gonna paste it in right here. And then it's gonna say, claim your free 30-minute consultation call to find the best house in Vegas. And that is literally it, right? Facebook has a weird problem right now where the images aren't showing anywhere on Facebook. It's just happening like for the whole day. But this obviously will show the image that you chose earlier right here. It'll show this image right here when Facebook's working normally. And then that's literally it, guys. Here's the text that we gave you. Here's the headline that we gave you. All you have to do is paste in, their contact information. You can just put the real estate agent's phone number here, and that's all you have to do. And these are going to be guaranteed to be profitable ads. And if they have a lot of traffic on their site, then you want to raise the budget from $5 a day to $20 a day or whatever. And so then the last thing that you need to know is what to actually charge these particular people for actually doing this service. And the thing is, even if you just get them one additional client, they're going to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 from a single sale of a house, a person buying a new house or selling a house. And so this is incredibly valuable to them. And so if you have no idea what to charge or how to get started, check out this video right here where we teach you step by step how to create a social media marketing company from scratch for complete beginners with zero money to start. I promise you'll like it. See you there. What is up, guys? We did it once before with this bad boy right here. We got this video on how to become an expert at Facebook ads in one video.